Welcome to the NuvoConnex tutorial, Part 3, Deprovisioning. In this video, we'll go over your product and customer deprovisioning options. So here we are at our customer view in NuvoConnex. Let's take a look at a customer account. And then from here, go ahead and click on the Products tab. And you can see, for this customer, they have email protection and continuity, email archiving, and web protection. Now if you go into the console itself, you can see the same product list. So here's the customer, and you can see they have email protection, email archiving, and web protection. Now if we want to remove one of these products, let's say they didn't want to use web protection, here's how you deprovision it. Go ahead and click on that specific product. So we're going to click on web protection and scroll down. Choose Deprovision the product. And what you'll see next is our standard warning before deprovisioning a product. Now for web protection, you can see here that when we remove web protection, if the proxy settings are still in any of their devices or browsers, it will not work. So make sure that's done before we remove web protection. So we're going to go here and click Deprovision the product. And of course, a reminder to double check. And we'll deprovision this. Alright, let's go back to our product list for this customer, and we just have email protection and email archiving. Now if we go back to the console for this customer, and we refresh, here's our web protection that we deprovisioned. Let's go ahead and refresh the screen. And you can see that's been removed. Let's go back to NuvoConnex. Alright, now let's say the same customer decided they didn't want to use their archiving as well. Let's go ahead and click on that specific archiving product. Again, we're going to click on Deprovision. And we have our standard warning. Now for archiving, you want to make sure that if any email has been archived within the console, you want to make sure that you've exported that archive mail ahead of time, because it will permanently delete any of the archived mail. So assuming that's all done, click on Deprovision the product. You'll get a second warning, and let's deprovision it. Okay, now we come back here, go to your Products tab, and you can see only email protection and continuity is left. Let's go back to the customer view in the console. Here was our archiving. Refresh the account, and now archiving is done as well. And we only have the email protection left. Now that we know how to deprovision a product, let's see how to deprovision a customer account. So let's go into our test account here, and right here at the bottom, delete the customer. Here's our standard warning. Now, one of the things we're going to be doing here is removing the final product, which is email filtering. We need to make sure that the MX records are pointed away, otherwise this will break the client's email. Now if the client is using our outbound mail, you want to make sure that the smart host is removed as well, so their outbound mail isn't affected. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on Delete Customer. And here's our confirmation, and click Delete. Alright, and that's our confirmation. The customer is removed from our account. And back here at the customer tab of our account, you can see only our partner account is left, and our customer account is gone. So that's how you delete a customer account. Now one thing to keep in mind is if you've deleted a customer account by mistake, you can go back in and re-add the customer account. You should wait about 20 or 30 minutes for that customer account to clear in the console before you add it back again. If you have any other issues or questions, contact the support team.